Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this plasma video. But if you're a laser engraver, you will learn it or gather a little information about this. This dog is made to be cut out and made like a stencil. But what it's going to look like when it's cut out is, I made it white. Always back up when you do something like that so you won't get something white in the middle, because you will put black on top of that white. So this dog is going to be cut out, so it's going to kind of look like this. And to me, it's going to be hard to tell that it's a dog because the black part's what are going to be missing in the metal, and this is going to be the metal. And let's just do that real quick. Let's say this is going to be the metal. Whoop, it's got a leak in it. But anyway, to put a border around this dog with all these openings just doesn't work. Because if you go here and put a border, it puts a border around the whole dog and every cut in every line. So you don't want to do that. Let's back up here. What you want to do is weld the dog and make it all one piece. And then go up to effects and contour, and now you can see our contour is working because it's highlighted and not grayed out. And then just hit apply, and now it did put because we made a contour, it joined these two lines, which is what we wanted. But we've had some interior lines, but that's very easily fixed. Just select your whole dog, go up to Object, Break, Contour Apart, grab on your red line that was welded, so it's all one piece. Go to your black and go to Object and Break, Curve Apart. And then there's two ways you can do it. You can delete all these or just grab your outer line and move it over. So now you can delete these. So now you have a cut line around this dog. And if you didn't watch the first video, we're trying to suggest to cut it out of a second piece of metal and then attaching it to the first piece of metal, like something like this star. You know, instead of cutting out the star or the Jesus face, it's attached with what I call standoffs. You can actually see it from the angle of this sign, the bolts behind. These were real little letters. I mean, this is like real small letters. You can see the bolts holding the letters on. But from a distance, like the Jesus, you can't see the bolt. You can't see the bolts on this one because the letters are a little bit bigger. So on the dog, you won't be able to see the bolts. And I might have to make a video about how to do that. But anyway, I hope that gave him some ideas, and thank you for watching.